Wrinkles and old age. Well, we all know that these two things are related, right? Many people around the world, especially women, are worried about their skin condition, and they are taking good care of their skin, especially their facial skin. So, most of them spend a lot of money on expensive beauty treatments and cosmetic products in order to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. The real truth is that not all of these women can afford these expensive products and treatments. And these expensive over-the-counter products cost a lot of money, and they can't provide the desired effects. So, you should definitely go for all-natural alternative. Let me ask you a simple question. What if we tell you that you can get the same effects with this homemade cream? This homemade anti-wrinkle cream will reduce the appearance of wrinkles, it will slow down the aging process, it will hydrate your skin, and the best part about this homemade anti-wrinkle cream is that it's completely safe and all natural. As we mentioned before, you shouldn't be worried, because there is an easy and all-natural way to get the same effect, without spending too much money on these treatments. Note: you should know that this homemade anti-wrinkle cream is made of natural ingredients, and it's completely safe for all skin types. You will notice the first results in just 1 week. You will love this homemade cream. This homemade anti-wrinkle cream is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons of petroleum jelly, Vaseline, 1 tablespoon of almond oil or olive oil, 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 ripe avocado, should be soft to the touch. Directions: just follow the simple instructions. First, you need to melt the Vaseline on heat. You will need just a few minutes. Then, you need to remove it from heat, and add the other ingredients, the egg yolk, honey and oil. Make sure you mix them well, until you get a nice and homogeneous mixture. Stir for few minutes. When you are done mixing, leave it for 5 minutes. How to use it. Note: wash your face and dry it thoroughly before you apply this homemade cream. You need to apply this mixture on your face and massage it gently with circular movements. Leave it on for 30 minutes, and after then, you need to remove this homemade anti-wrinkle cream. You can use a cotton ball, soaked in mineral water or a wet towel. You will be amazed by the results.